Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing Wi-Fi connection problems with your Samsung Smart TV, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, but fear not. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through instant fixes that can help restore your connection. 1. Check your Wi-Fi network. Ensure that your home Wi-Fi network is functioning properly. Test the connection with another device, such as a smartphone or tablet. If those devices connect easily, your Wi-Fi is working fine, and the issue is likely with the TV. 2. Restart your Samsung Smart TV. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. To do this, unplug the TV from the wall, wait for about 30 seconds, and then plug it back in. Turn the TV on and check if the Wi-Fi connection has been restored. 3. Forget and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network. Go to the Settings menu on your Samsung Smart TV, navigate to Network, then Network Status. Select Wireless and find your Wi-Fi network. Choose Forget. After this, re-enter your Wi-Fi password to reconnect to the network. 4. Run the Network Diagnostic tool. Samsung Smart TVs come equipped with a built-in network diagnostic tool. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Network Status. Choose Network Test to run a diagnostic. This will help identify any issues with your connection. 5. Check for firmware updates. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity issues. To check for updates, go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This can improve your TV's performance and fix bugs that may be causing Wi-Fi problems. 6. Reset network settings. If the problem persists, you may need to reset the network settings. Go back to Settings, then General, and select Network. Choose Reset Network to restore all network settings to their default state. After resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi. 7. Check router settings. If none of the above steps works, check your router settings. Ensure that your router's firmware is up to date and that MAC address filtering is disabled. You may also want to try changing the Wi-Fi channel from the router settings to reduce interference. 8. Perform a factory reset if necessary. As a last resort, you can perform a factory reset of your Samsung Smart TV. This will erase all your settings and installed apps. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Self-Diagnosis. Choose Reset, follow the prompts, and confirm the reset. Once complete, you will need to set up your TV from scratch. Don't forget to check your Wi-Fi signal strength and placement of your router to ensure optimal performance. To wrap it up, these steps should help you troubleshoot and fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your Samsung Smart TV. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips.